Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop your Mac from sleeping. First, go ahead and open up your system settings. From here, scroll down a bit and click on Lock Screen. Right at the top, you'll see two options. The first one is Turn Display Off on Battery when inactive. Go ahead and set this to Never. For the second option, which applies when you're plugged into the power adapter, I'll also set that to Never. With these two settings changed, your Mac will no longer go to sleep automatically. Method number 2 involves using the terminal to prevent sleep for a specific amount of time. Open up your terminal and type in the following command: Caffeinate -T 3600. That number represents the duration in seconds. So 3,600 seconds equals 1 hour. Now hit enter. Basically, this command keeps your Mac awake for the next hour. When the hour is up, the command ends and your Mac goes back to its normal sleep behavior. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.